Sum sequence is a variation on Sara VanDerWerf's 5x5 game. And all you need is a 5x5 grid and a deck of cards. These are 1 through 10 and there's 4 copies of each number. The aim of the game is to get a highest score possible, and you'll score points whenever you get 3 consecutive numbers in a row, 3 or more. So for example, 5, 6, 7 here would score us 18 points, 5 plus 6 plus 7. If we got an 8 on the end of it, we'd add another 8. So I'm going to start placing numbers. If we drew a 4 first, think about where you might put it. So maybe I'll chuck it here. And then we've got a 7. So if I went 5, 6, 7, 7 might be good to put there just because it fits with what I've already got with the 4. Now I've got a 2. I might get 2, 3, 4 by going down there, but 2 is not a really high value number, so I might want to leave the center of the board for some high value things. So let's not risk it. We'll chuck a 4 over here. And we've got a 6. And so that goes nicely up the top with what we've already got there, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hopefully we get a 5. We've got another 6. So I might put that down below the 7 there. A 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We might put it down there. No, let's put it more centrally. So we're not likely to get all of those numbers. Another 4. Put it up here for 2, 3, 4. Now you can be ascending or descending, so we don't need a 8, 9, 10. We can have a 10, 9, 8 as well, if that works. Another 6. Let's put that up there. A 1. It's not going to help us. A 10. Nine, finally. The nice thing for us is that we've got a 10 and a 9 going both ways here, which is nice. 3. There we go, there's our first score. We won't score it till the end though, because it might increase if we get a 5 in there. But if you were thinking about it, would you rather the 5 go there or there? That's an interesting question. 4 plus 6 plus 7, we're on 17 points there. And here, if we put it in there, we're on 15 points. So it's actually better to put the 5 up the top there if we get it for safety. 7. Put it there and hope we get an 8 maybe. There's an 8. So we can put an 8 here, or we can put it there or there. Going to put it down the bottom here. Hopefully we get another 5. Oh, it was after that. That's disappointing. So there's a 9. All right, so now we go through and score each row and column. So we got 3 numbers in a row here. And that's another reason not to put the 5 there, because we already did score this anyway. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3 is going to be the average, so we scored 9 points there. Now, if we had another consecutive set of numbers here, you can only score 1 lot. So you've got to choose which one that is. Here we've got nothing. Now, if you're playing the factors and multiples game, which I'll show you tomorrow, this will score massively. Here, we score 27. Here, we don't score. Here, we don't score. Here, we don't score. There's another 27. Nothing. Nothing. And here we score 10 plus 12, 22. So we add this all up, 27, 27, 54, 74, 78, plus 9, 87. So our score for this game is 87. Now, if you played along yourself, you get to compare that with my score. So that is called sum sequence, and you can enjoy that with a blank piece of paper and a set of cards.